Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 4 can't even make it through a meeting, you're not alone. This issue often happens due to battery degradation over time, which means it can no longer hold a charge effectively. If left unaddressed, your device may become entirely unusable, leading to more frustration and potential loss of work. To tackle this battery replacement, you will need a few tools: a T5 Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a suction cup, and a new replacement battery specifically for the Surface Pro 4. To start, ensure your device is powered off completely. Use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the casing. Be careful not to pull too hard, as there are delicate connectors inside. Once you've created a gap, insert the plastic spudger to carefully pry around the edges, releasing the adhesive without damaging the screen. When the screen is lifted, you will see the battery. This is the component that is likely failing. Disconnect the battery cable by gently lifting it from the motherboard. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Next, remove the screws holding the battery in place using the T5 Torx screwdriver. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and place it in the same position, securing it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firm but not forced. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, before closing everything up, double-check that no cables are pinched and that everything is seated correctly. Carefully press the screen back onto the casing, making sure there are no gaps. Once secure, power on your Surface Pro 4 to ensure that it's functioning properly with the new battery. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to avoid letting your battery drain completely too often and consider using power-saving settings during intensive tasks. Regularly calibrating your battery can also help maintain its longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.